If you own a car with red Brembo brake calipers, you know how cool they look. But after some driving, these calipers can get dirty with brake dust, oil stains, and road grime. Luckily, here are some ways to clean stained brake oil and dust off red Brembo calipers. Before you start cleaning, make sure your car is parked on a flat surface and the wheels are cool to the touch. Cleaning hot brake parts can be dangerous and may cause damage. If you just drove, wait for about 30 minutes or until the brakes cool down. First, rinse the wheels and calipers with water to remove loose dirt and brake dust. If you have a hose or pressure washer, use it gently to spray off dust and grime. This step helps to make cleaning easier and prevents scratching the calipers. Choose a wheel cleaner that is safe for painted brake calipers, like red Brembos. Spray the cleaner generously on the caliper surface. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes so it can break down dirt, dust, and brake oil stains. Avoid letting the cleaner dry on the surface. Brake oil stains can be tough. Use a degreaser or brake cleaner spray designed for automotive parts. Spray the stained areas lightly and let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes. Be careful not to use too much or strong chemicals that can damage the red paint on the calipers. Take a soft bristle brush or an old toothbrush. Gently scrub the calipers to remove brake dust, dirt, and brake oil stains. Focus on all the small areas and corners where dirt tends to hide. Be gentle to avoid scratching the painted surface. After scrubbing, rinse the calipers well with water to wash away the cleaner, degreaser, and loosen dirt. Make sure no cleaner residue is left, as it can damage the paint if left too long. Use a clean microfiber cloth to dry the calipers carefully. Drying prevents water spots and keeps the red paint shiny. If you want to keep your Brembo calipers looking fresh longer, you can apply a heat-resistant brake caliper paint sealant or ceramic coating. These protect the paint from brake dust and stains. Follow the product instructions carefully. Clean your calipers regularly, about once a month or after heavy driving. Avoid harsh brushes or steel wool that can scratch or damage the calipers. If you spot any leaks causing brake oil stains, get your brake system checked by a mechanic. If brake oil stains are really stubborn or extensive, consider professional cleaning or repainting. Cleaning your red Brembo calipers is simple and can make a big difference in how your car looks. With just a few tools and some care, you can remove brake dust and brake oil stains safely.